Check it. Yeah. I wish I would have gotten 2 of these. This is my favorite. And then this one. Actually, fuck it. Chicken is motherfucking legit. Especially for a 24-hour joint, man. Fuck yeah. A stoner like me, hell yeah, man. I need that shit. So we're gonna grab. I'll try this out. Shoot. Chicken got that kick, man. Oh shit. So. Still motherfucking moist. Holy shit. Good job for the fucking donuts, guy. For a 24-hour joint, I don't know how good it would be, like maybe in the next couple hours, but it is like 1 o'clock in the morning, and this shit's still fucking moist as fuck. So, I'll get into this fucking sneakers real quickly, okay? Real quick. Another episode of Cushion Swiss, guy. 1 sec. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video, guys. Another episode of Christian Switch, man. And before we get started on the video, I just want to give a quick disclaimer, guys. This channel may not be suitable for anybody under the age of 18. Mainly because I do smoke a little bud. You dig? And I do cuss on my videos, man. So kids out there, please, if you guys are uncomfortable with this type of fucking content, hey, I'm not forcing you guys to watch me, alright? There's other people to watch, so please feel free to click the fuck away. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button real quick. And today's choice of bud is cheese, man. Look at how good this thing is, by the way, guys. Alright, look how nice this one is. Look at that. How nice that is, man. Somebody on Instagram hit me up, asked me if I could do a review on their sneakers. When I looked them up, and they sell fucking replicas, you know, and I wouldn't mind giving you guys another one of those unauthorized versus authentic. The reason why I took them, and I wanted to do a review on them. And with how the replica market is nowadays, it's getting crazier and crazier, you know. So this is for educational purpose only. I don't promote fakes. I personally would never wear fakes, but to each their own. Not everybody got money to spend and all that shit. I'm not gonna go poke fun at people that wear unauthorized and shit like that, but it just isn't for me. I wouldn't pay fucking $150 for them, whatever the fuck they're asking for. Maybe for like 20 bucks, $30, maybe so, just to see what they look like. But some of these fakes, they're actually asking for like almost retail, which is ridiculous, guys. It's ridiculous. Before we get started on the comparison, guys, spark one up with me, alright? Quite a long video, man, but we're gonna get into it like as quick as possible. As soon as I open the box, I already noticed the big difference. As you guys can see, this on my right, which is gonna be on your left, is the real pair. One on my left, which would be on your right, the UA pair, unauthorized pair, B grades, whatever the fuck you UA sellers wanna call it. You guys can already tell that the one on my left is a lot smaller than the one on the right. This on the top is the fake pair. This is the real pair. They're both size 10, guys. Both motherfucking size 10. Put you that right away. Fake. UA pair, size 10. Real pair, size 10. And also the box, this is the real pair. You can see a little bit of an outline right here. You know, the outline right here on the box, on the edges of it, clean. This, well, right out the box, guys, it just looks like a fucking cardboard box. You know, it's not, this is just a bad one, all right? Luckily I didn't pay for this, but they do have everything. And what do you know? As every motherfucking fake pairs out there, do not trust anything that has a StockX motherfucking shit. You know? Like all these StockX bullshit, yo guys, this is not a way to make it seem like it's authentic, alright? UA does come with all this fucking bullshit. StockX, might as well order from StockX, guys, if you were. Fake sticker. Alright, this is already a giveaway. I mean, look, maybe in Japan, maybe in Asia, they may have done some shit like this, the pamphlet, but definitely not in the US or in Canada. And also, it does come with a retro card, and I'm not gonna lie, man, really fucking flimsy. This is it's already a giveaway. Right off the block. Oh my god. Does come in the plastic. Yo, smell. Everybody that owns a pair of Jordans, you guys know what the smell is. This, my goodness, it smells like fucking industrial glue or some shit. Let's take this shit out, alright? Let's take this shit out. Oh my god. Bro. Dude, it's like everywhere. It's everywhere on the shoe. Look. When you inhale this shit, it seems like it smells like varnish. Like all those people that actually know what the fuck varnish smells like. Yo, bro, this is it. This is motherfucking it. What the fuck is this? What is this, guys? What is this? What were you guys thinking with this shit? What the fuck is this, man? They both come like that. Oh, the one side. Oh my god, the smell on this is just fucking horrible. Oh, bro, what the fuck? Not gonna lie, it does kind of look like it, but in terms of craftsmanship, no. The way it feels, no. This is the real pair. Here's my dead stock pair. Let me bring up my used one. I do have a dead stock pair here, but I don't want to take it out. Show you guys. But let me just compare it with the worn pair. This is my worn pair. This is the newer releases. So this is 2019. Like I said, they may use the same type of material. I don't really give a fuck about that. Or the way it cuts. It's just the craftsmanship once you see them on hand. That's why I always say, if you guys want to learn how to actually legit check a pair, always have a real pair on hand that you guys bought at the motherfucking store. That way when you guys get a fucking shit like this, you guys can actually tell the difference. Like, look at how high this motherfucking patent leather is. This is the fake pair, and this is the inside of the real pair. Fake. Look how high this is, guys. Look how fucking high this is. Like, they didn't even cut the leather. They didn't even know what the fuck to cut on there. Oh my god, this is just horrible, man. The smell is funny. First of all, it's just so bad. Look, like, what are you doing? Like, look how high that is. There's the fake pair. You guys can see with this little fucking thing here. The real pair. Smell too, guys. That should be a dead giveaway. Okay. The craftsmanship of the sneakers, once you see them on hand, is just way too fucked up. Everybody that owns a pair of Jordan 11s, where the patent leather like connects from this to this one's a really clean cut, like clean sewed in. Like, this one's really fucking wide. I can't really show you guys exactly. And in terms of the carbon fiber, this is the fake pair. Look at it. Look at that. The fake pair is on the bottom, the real pair is at the top. How bright the bottom one is too. In terms of the feel of the sneakers, yeah, you know, it's close, but not close enough. Right. And also, like, the Jumpman on the back, the stitching is what gives it away. Once you get the sneakers on hand, you can definitely tell the difference, because the stitching, the craftsmanship, like where this thing connects, like, yo, this shit's totally fucked up. And then all this shit too, man, like patent leather on it, it's way too thick. Right. Look at that. Look at that freaking fake pair. Good job though, and it does come with all these. You know. Fuck, my hand smells like fucking industrial glue and some shit. Like, shit smells bad, man. So, you can definitely tell the difference between the real and fake. The smell alone, guys, the smell alone is, yo, it takes you back, bro. Like, holy fuck. Overall, they're getting there. You know, it's just not good enough for me. Like, on feet, you may never notice. To a lot of you guys, that's more than enough. You guys don't really give a fuck about, you know, whether or not you guys have a real pair or not. Go ahead, man. Purchase yourself a fake, a UA, whatever it may be, unauthorized pair, B grade, whatever you want to call it. Nobody's gonna judge you, and definitely I'm not those type of people. But I would be annoyed if somebody tries to play these off like a real pair. That's the only issue that I have. Overall, it's still not good enough. The Jumpman on there is a little too fat compared to the real pair. You can definitely tell, man. The craftsmanship with this to that, big diff, big diff. They just got sloppy, you know? Just really, really fucking sloppy all the way around. I tried them on, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I tried them on. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys might have seen it already. Right, earlier. I tried them on, and hey, it does kind of feel weird on feet, especially when I have the other pair on, like the real pair on the other foot. You can definitely tell the difference. But hey, on feet, if you see me wearing these, you probably would never think that it's fake. That's the only thing. It's like, you really gotta dissect it to be able to see it, not to like, to be able to know the difference. Because the naked eye, they look like any other pair of Jordan 11s, playoff 11s. Each their own, guys. Buy fakes if you guys want to do that. I personally wouldn't. You know, I'd just rather get the real ones. I mean, fuck. Is it worth it to buy one? Hell no, man. I definitely would stay away from them, especially what the fuck they're asking for. It's crazy that some of these replica market asks for like ridiculous amount for it, like almost retail basically. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video, man. Another little comparison between real versus fake. Anyways, make sure you guys check out the video for the giveaway, the guidelines and shit like that. It will be ending in January 19th for a pair of Air Force One. Truly appreciate you guys tuning in, and follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already as well. More videos, more content, more sneakers coming up. So thank you for watching once again. Until next time, guys. Peace.